Question 19 then is picking up again on relationships between companies and this idea of whether we are actually consolidating or how we're accounting for our investments. And in each case, what they want us to think about is how many sets of financial statements will actually be produced by the parent company. So in the first instance, we have a parent company with 2 subsidiaries. Each of these will have to prepare their own financial statements for publication. So that would be 3 sets normally. But then in addition to that, we would have a consolidated set of financial statements. So that in this first instance, we would have 4 sets of financial statements. In the second instance, the parent company and the subsidiary, we would need to produce accounts for those. The associate and the trade investment, yes, they will prepare their own accounts, but we'll have no involvement with them. In this case, though, the fact that we do have a parent and a subsidiary means that once again, we will need to prepare a set of consolidated financial statements, so that this time we would be producing 3 sets. In the third instance, again, we have a parent, a subsidiary and an associate. We would need to prepare financial statements for each of the parent and subsidiary. The associate would produce their own, but that would be nothing to do with us. And once again, we would need to prepare a consolidated set so that 3 sets of financial statements would once again be needed. Whereas in the final example, we would produce financial statements for the parent. The financial statements for the associate would not be produced by us, but because this is only an associate, there would be no need for any consolidated financial statements. So in this case, we would only be producing 1 set of financial statements.